Alright, here we go. So our laptop screen is busted. It's cracked right here, so you can tell it's completely messed up. And I have the replacement screen to fix it. So here we go. What I do is I peel off these little protective things on here. Just collect them where I find them. Loosen. And that's easy enough, so these are coming right out. So I opened this up and the LCD itself was sitting on these brackets, so I could unscrew this, and now the screen is here. Two halves are holding it together. We've got this video cable that was taped over here that I unplugged. Now the only thing that's preventing me from taking out the LCD is the fact that it's kind of taped on there and it's hard to reach, so I'm going to try to reach that and untape it. But this is how it looks like on the inside of your LCD. It's also sticky. I want to make sure it stops sticking to stuff, so I'm going to cut this right now. Goodbye sticky tape that's holding the video cable. There's more tape down there, but that's loose, so I think now I can take off the old LCD. Nope, because it's connected down there. Okay, the old LCD is coming out. And the video cable is safe, that's right here. I could just cut this stupid little wire. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to free this. The screen's already busted. Forget it. Okay. That was fun. Now, I think we're done. I need to take this out. Okay, that's easy. That came out. Now, this needs to get plugged in where it's impossible to reach. Goody. Well, I can't, taking it out by cutting it was easy, but now I'm going to have to do this properly. Shit was white or red on top. I managed to unclip these little hooks, so now I can really pull this apart. All 4 spots. And now we've got some space here to work with. Yes. Okay. You kind of slide it in there, just part of the way. It doesn't require much force. And the rest of the way it's already aligned, so I can just shove it into place. Which probably means nothing to you because you can't see anything that I'm doing, but the point is it's actually not as hard as it seems. And now I can actually align the wires underneath. I think I don't need to do that. Forget it, this is fine. Close this back. Put those little clippies back. Okay, we're close. This wire goes back here. That's probably the most important. Right there. Okay, now we got caught here. Okay, now I'm just easing the LCD screen down there, making sure these cables are happy down here. Okay. I'm touching where it says don't touch, but I really don't care at this point. Okay. Alright, we're in. So I'll put this tape over it too. Good. That's connected. Now we reassemble everything, and I think, well, we'll see what happens. So we're putting the screws back to mount the screen. Tiny little screws going into these tiny little places with plastic in front that's really preventing me from getting right under. Ah, that's it. That's glorious. This I can close now. Look at that. Oh, yes. Okay. Now, alright, I could put these screws back on, but I think it really doesn't matter right now. Instead, I'll put the battery back. And holy crap, I get to see. There we go. Okay. Now, what happens? I'm excited. Yes! What a happy day it is. The inverter cord apparently connected correctly. I don't know if the red and white made a difference, but I sort of just guessed, and it was not incorrect. Nothing got busted as far as I can tell. I'll test out the webcam and I'll see if the webcam cables got damaged, but I doubt it. I don't think I did anything to them. And as you can see, it worked.